Hello, welcome. The other day I was approached by a company, Temu, that you've probably all heard of. Myself, I'd never really heard of them until they approached me. So I asked one or two people, the missus had heard about them, and one or two of my photography friends, what's Temu all about? I says, yeah, give it a go, have a look. You know what I'm like, I'll have anything. The thing is, if I have it and it's rubbish, I can tell you it's rubbish. So that was about 10 days ago, and the idea was that I basically can spend £80 whatever I like. So the missus wanted some household stuff, and I says, wife, no, can't do that because I've got to review it. So it's got to be photography gear, I'm afraid. It's such a shame, but it is what it is. So the box has arrived today. So like I say, it was about 10, 12 days ago maybe since I put the order in. And I've spent the £80. I think it's about £79 and a few pence. Obviously I jiggled things around to get the most out of it. Now, before I have a look at it, what I've got to explain is this video will probably cost me in time and stuff like that well over £80. So they're getting a good deal here. So sometimes it questions me why I do these things, but you know what, let's do it. So I'm going to open the bag. If I can just bend you down there. So we'll move my keyboard over a little bit. We'll cut the bag open. Now, like I say, I've ordered this. I can't even remember what I've ordered. So I'm probably as excited as you are. So we'll do a quick reveal of what it is. This is literally straight from Temu. Let me put me. Oh, so right. So I bought a cover for my let's get it. So I brought a cover to go over my controller. Now I've seen Martin with one a cover, and it's probably the same one. So I thought, yeah, that's interesting. I'll grab me one of them. Don't know how much it was. A few pound. So there's that. So we'll have a look at that. There is, what's in here? Oh, a magic arm. Now I've got one of these, but I wanted another one. So I thought, magic arm, but there's a reason for that. One of the reasons is I've got more than one tripod, and with the let's put you back a bit, with the Osmo 3, rather than carry two tripods, I can use the magic arm and put it on one of the tripods, etc. Well, I wanted it for another reason. So I've got a camera strap. Now I've already got one of these. It's not a Peak Design one. It's a knockoff Peak Design one. I ain't paying Peak Design money when you can get them just the same. And it's exactly the same. It was pounds. Don't know how much it was. Pounds. I think about £6. I don't know. I ain't got a clue. Okay, so there's that. So there's a neck strap. Another thing is there's a Osmo Action Osmo Pocket 3 cover. Now I did see one of these. Gary Sutherland had one on his, so I thought, I think that's the same one. I'll get that and try it. It says it's quite good. So again, ain't got a clue how much it is. And then last but not least, let's put that back down here. Now this one cost about £40 because I can remember ordering it. And it's a big sucker. A bit like me. I'm a big sucker. But I've always wanted one for doing a bit of video work in the van, to be honest, and sucking it onto the windows there and getting my action cameras up and doing all that stuff. But it's a proper beast, and you can put all different attachments on. So the idea is to put this. They've all pretty well packaged, by the way. The idea is to put this magic arm, which I must say feels really well made. Put this magic arm on the sucker like so, and there's all different things, so I can use the magic arm with that adapted to it, or another camera. One of my action cameras, I've got 2 action cameras. I've got the Osmo Pocket, the first one, and an old GoPro 7 actually, and but you can put it in all different areas. But what I did like about it was that it will suck on, and then you just pump it up, and then bloody hell, it's gripped. That's gripped to a bit of leather. So it grips to things, and you can, and I must admit, how do you release it? Don't know how you release it. We'll have to have a look at that. Wonder if there's a little valve or something. I think something on the bottom there. Anyway, so that's my idea, to have on the van window, etc. Not cheap, and it doesn't feel cheap, and it feels actually really well engineered, to be honest. And you can fit multi things on there, so I really like that. That's quite good. It's the thing that really interested me. So what I need to do is get out there and try all this gear out and see if it's any good. I'd like to, just looking at this, obviously I've only just picked it out and done, but this magic arm, I've got one by Small Rig, I think it is, and I like this. Pretty like this, it works just as good. And that just screws on there. I could have swore I ordered something else. Anyway, might be missing something. Also comes with a couple of Allen keys and a different a threaded lock for whatever that is. Don't know what that is. I suppose I better have a look. Okay, so yeah, Temu, thank you for sending me this gear. I think they've like a they do, when I was searching for the stuff, it was it's little knick-knack things. They do obviously big things and that, but it's a lot of knick-knack stuff. So yeah, it's a protective case for the Osmo 3. I can't show you now because I'm video on it, but it just clips over, nice and simple, and it's just a quick protection thing for the Osmo rather than the bigger rather than that. I'll see. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with what's come actually. Everything looks good. Let's have a quick look at this. See if I've ordered the right one, because there was 2. And I'm one of these that I couldn't be asked to find out which one it is, so I guessed. So if it's not the right one, it's going to be going up. There's a freebie. Let's have a look. So it goes in like so. You know what? I've ordered the right one. So it's a protective case for your. This is a DJI Mini 3 with the controller. How's this pop off? That just flips up there like so. So it's got like a shade to it. So you can work with it like so. But the main thing is, and I know Martin had some, I don't know if it's the same as that, but it was very, very similar. But really it's just to protect this screen as much as anything. But it's obviously designed so you can just flip it up. Locks on quite nice actually. So you can just use it however you feel fit, I suppose. Yeah, that's all right, that's quite like that. Because I was worried about that getting damaged. I don't know what that bit's quite for, but obviously it's to stop the glare, I suppose. If you've, Doing a bit of that. That's quite good actually. I quite like that. It's quite good. Yeah, and it protects the front of it as well. So yeah, I like that. And if I put it in my bag, I ain't got to worry about it getting scratched through. That works well. I'm pleased. Very pleased. Yeah. Only thing I'm not 100% sure on is probably this. I don't know. It'll work all right. It's whether I use it or not. I don't know. But it will protect it. It's only a little plastic case, only a few quid. It's this bad boy that's interested me. Like I say, I've got one of these. I just thought I'll get another one to spend the money. But it's obviously the knockoff version of the the clips that you go on the camera. So I've already got them on. Let me get my camera. Peak Design. Let me get my camera. So I've already got these on. You'll see them on most bloggers and things like that. I've seen them and they just slide in. So and you get a wrist one and whatever. I'll just slide in like so. So it works on that one. Good. So I always keep it on there. Then if I'm doing any street or handheld or anything like that, I just put that on. And the other reason why I got another one is because I've done it before where I've took a different bag out. I forgot that. So you can't have too many, can you? And it does come with the two clips as well, which is good. Just clips in. That comes in with three. It comes with three. Spare result. Okay. Tidy all this gubbins up. Have my cup of tea. Get back to me editing, and then we'll get out somewhere and try this gear out. I knew there was something missing. I thought I'd better just check the bag. And this is something else I'm really interested in. And I think if it is what it is, because I'll get some more of these, is a quick release thing for your action cameras and stuff like that. So it's just a little adapter that will screw on. And I just thought that might be handy rather than using different clips like that one. I think that's a small rig. I can't remember if it or a Lanzi quick release thing. It's quite good actually, but this is ultra light. Well, I've done it now. Got it, and it just clamps on. Not sure about that. Not sure if I'll be able to use it. I'll probably need the other bit, or do I? Can't remember now. Anyway, it's a quick release clip. Yeah, I knew there was something else. It was hiding in the bag. Always check the bag. Okay, so just going back to the remote cover, I've found that it's got a little Allen key to tighten the little hinges up, so I can have it a little bit tighter, but it's also got the things here to actually fix it, so it's fixed all the time, so it's a nice sunshade then. So I tell you what, it's well worth it, whatever it costs. It's real good. Well, it's going to protect all the knobs. That is brilliant. No weight whatsoever on it. Brilliant. Fantastic. Chuffed to bits. So if you are interested in Temu, download the app and use my code and you'll get a £100 voucher. There's special offers for new users when you download the app as well, so it's worth just checking it out, I suppose. I'll put the code in the link below. Have a look at it, see what you think. So I've had them for about a week now and I've used one or two of the things. I've not used everything. Used a little plastic cover. Yeah, I like it. I'm still not sure whether I prefer the original or that, but it works. It does a good job and it covers the screen, which is good. Covers the screen and the whole of the gimbal, because sometimes when you put the gimbal in that, it turns the other way, the lens does, so that just clips over the whole lot, so it's quite good. So I do like it. The other bits and bobs, love this, absolutely love this. Probably get some more of these to dot around the camper van and use them for that, and while I'm driving along doing some video and things like that. And again, the magic arm is fantastic. So everything works so well. So I'm really pleased, and I'm so glad that Temu got in touch with me. So hopefully we can work a bit more in the future. We'll see about that. Let's see what happens. But I've enjoyed it. It's been a bit of a laugh, but on a serious note. But the gear's good. I can't knock the gear I've chosen. I've just chosen at random. The gear is what the gear is. And like I say, this is really high quality stuff. It's not cheap and nasty. It's good. I can't really say any more, really. Thank you, Temu, for sending me this stuff. I hope you guys have enjoyed it well. Check Temu out, see what you think. Till next time, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.